Introducing Scut. Scut is a 16.5 by 22.5 inch print on 1/8 of an inch foam board. It comes with an attachable hang tab and 3M velcro strips, providing multiple options of display. You can hang them behind your TV. You can hang them behind pictures, photos, frames, and canvases. You can hang them on corners, behind walls, behind posts. You can hang them on porches.
Phone board is not waterproof.
And even in your car. You can even get weird with it and freak out your lady. You can also just frame it. So go on over to stateofshockstudios.com. Order yours today.